Hello guys, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Start. The Bombay High Court has referred to a larger bench the question of whether an appeal by the victim against the judgment of acquittal passed by the Appellate Court is maintainable. Stop para. Justice, while dealing with two criminal appeals filed by the victims against acquittal of the accused by the Sessions Court in appeal, observed, I think forum for this victim's appeal is correlated to forum for an appeal provided to the accused against the judgment of conviction. Stop. If such forum is not there, how an appeal against the judgment of acquittal passed by the appellate court will be maintainable? Question mark. So also there is a controversy when the appellate court convicts the accused whether victim can prefer an appeal under section 372 proviso of the code bracket for inadequate compensation oblique for higher sentence bracket close question mark para. The judge requested the Registry place these matters before the Chief Justice for Constitution of a larger bench to decide the question of law. Stop para. In the first case, the accused were acquitted by the Judicial Magistrate First Class within bracket JMFC Alibag for various offences under the IPC. Stop. The state's appeal before the Court of Session against this acquittal was dismissed in January 2019. Stop. Now the victim seeks to challenge the Sessions Court decision through an appeal before the High Court. Stop para. In a second case, the appellant's conviction under Section 509 bracket insulting the modesty of a woman bracket close of the IPC was set aside by the additional sessions judge. Stop. The victim then lodged an appeal against this decision before the High Court. Stop para. Thus, in both cases, the Sessions Court acquitted the accused in appeals filed by the state and accused respectively. Stop para. The common issue before the court was whether a victim can file an appeal before the High Court against a judgment of acquittal passed by the Appellate Court within bracket Sessions Court. Stop. The court noted that an appeal by the accused, the state, as well as the victim against a judgment of conviction by the JMFC lies before the Sessions Court. Stop. Further, an appeal by the state against a judgment of acquittal passed by the JMFC also lies before the Sessions Court in case of non-bailable and cognizable offence. Stop para. The accused can approach the High Court against a judgment of conviction by the Appellate Court within bracket Sessions Court only through a revision petition and not an appeal. The court noted. Stop. Thus the question was, if the accused does not have the right to file appeal against the Appellate Court's judgment of conviction before the High Court, whether the victim can file an appeal before the High Court challenging a judgment of the Appellate Court of acquitting or awarding lesser sentence to convict. Stop para. The proviso to Section 372 of the CRPC provides that an appeal by a victim against any order acquitting or awarding lesser sentence lies before the court, where an appeal ordinarily lies against the order of conviction of such court. Stop. For example, if JMFC acquits an accused, the victim can appeal to the Sessions Court as the appeal against conviction by JMFC also lies before the Sessions Court. Stop para. Justice delved into a series of judgments, including those from other high courts, to explore the diverse interpretation of this proviso. Stop. In case of Sau Jayashri Sunil Mali vs. State of Maharashtra, which involved a similar issue, another single judge bench of the Bombay High Court interpreted the phrase any order in section 372 CRPC liberally stop. The court held that right to prefer an appeal given to the victim cannot be circumscribed by holding that said right is qualified up to a particular stage only. Stop.